This is the Guards Museum in central London, home to some irreplaceable artefacts including the Duke of Wellington's jackets. This building was suffering from water penetrating from above. McLennan Waterproofing were given the task of 10 days to waterproof this entire basement. Most of the problems were caused by water coming through cracks and construction joints. The cracks were located, packers were installed, the face of the cracks was sealed off, polyurethane was injected from below into the cracks, permanently sealing them. Another source of water was from construction joints above. These had to be injected with an acrylic, which is extremely flexible and water stopping. The joints were exposed, and the acrylic, which comes in 2 parts, was mixed on site and set to fill the joins without flooding into the basements below. Previously, a watering can of water poured onto the slab would penetrate straight through. We flood tested for several hours. This is a short demonstration of the materials used to seal the cracks. What happens on site is the machine picks up both materials from separate drums, puts them together. This is just sand going in there. Puts them together, mixes them, injects them wherever we want them to go. This is an extremely low viscosity material. It will penetrate through the sand, exactly what we want it to do, forming a nice waterproof seal. Ideal for lift pits, any basements with leaks through them. You can drill right the way through the basement into the substrate the other side, completely waterproof it. Polymer based, still needs water. It's extremely effective joint sealing material. The whole point of the material is it goes from low viscosity to a very solid waterproofing material. And the time it takes to do this is set by the operatives on site. So we've got complete control over the material that we're using for waterproofing the joints. If we want to take a long time to make it go a long way through a joint, you set it for a couple of minutes, 180 seconds. If we want it to go for a very short distance over a small joint, then we'll set it to go off very, very quickly. A few seconds. That's the material. It's now warm to the touch. It's an exothermic reaction going on there. It's going to end up like a hard jelly which sticks to anything and everything. An extremely effective waterproofing material. So when it does penetrate into the sand, completely consolidates it. We should end up with, will end up with, a very waterproof material. And it consolidates the sand. So if that's behind your lift pit, the lift pit's now completely waterproof and sealed. As a joint sealant, extremely effective as a joint sealant.